What if you could master any skill faster and more effectively? Learning is the foundation of everything from AI tools to public speaking or learning a new language. When you use the right learning techniques, you can absorb, retain, and apply knowledge much faster and better. In this video, we'll share 5 must-read books specially curated by the Reading Graphics team to help you unlock the full power of learning. Book number 1, Make It Stick. Do you spend hours learning something only to forget everything soon after? Make It Stick explains why traditional studying methods like rereading and cramming don't work, and what actually does. This book introduces powerful techniques like retrieval practice and spaced repetition, helping you retain knowledge longer and learn more effectively. Whether you're a student, educator, or lifelong learner, these science-based strategies will help you to retain knowledge more effectively. As the authors say, the elements that shape your intellectual abilities lie to a surprising extent within your control. But what if you struggle with subjects that feel completely out of your league? That's where the next book comes in, A Mind for Numbers. Think you're bad at certain subjects like math or science? This book proves otherwise. A Mind for Numbers by Barbara Oakley explains how the brain processes information and how strategies like chunking and visualization can make even the most complex topics easier to grasp. Oakley says simple explanations are possible for almost any concept, no matter how complex. One key insight is how your brain learns best when it switches between 2 modes: focused thinking for deep learning and diffuse thinking to make creative connections. By toggling between the two, you can retain and apply key lessons more effectively. The best part is, these strategies will work for learning any subject, not just numbers. Book number 3, UltraLearning. If you want to master new skills quickly, this book is for you. UltraLearning is a self-directed, high-intensity approach to skill acquisition. As Scott Young says, if you can master the personal tools to learn new skills quickly and effectively, you can compete more successfully in a new environment. He presents 9 practical principles used by top performers to learn complex subjects in record time. You'll discover techniques to optimize what you learn, improve focus, create effective drills, self-testing, and more. Whether you want to pick up a new language, learn to code, or master an entirely new field, this book will accelerate your progress. But if 9 principles seem too much for you, how about getting results fast with just 4 steps? That brings us to book number 4, The First 20 Hours. Ever heard that it takes 10,000 hours to master a skill? In reality, most of us don't need to spend all that time to become experts. We just need to get good enough to use a skill effectively for our work or personal life. And for that, 20 hours is enough if you use the right approach. In the first 20 hours, Josh Kaufman breaks down skill acquisition into 4 simple steps to help you become competent and functional quickly in any skill, be it learning a language, playing an instrument, or improving a professional skill. Kaufman even says, when it comes to learning something new, there's no sense in making it more difficult than it really needs to be. With that, you can learn and practice in a structured way to make significant progress in just 20 hours. With this structured approach, it is now possible to learn any skill quickly to achieve a specific goal. The first 4 books equip you with a strong understanding of the brain, along with the tools and strategies to learn more effectively. There's just one last component to address: your mindset and motivation. And that's where the last book, Limitless, comes in. Jim Kwik goes beyond methods to also address the mindset and motivation required to unlock your brain's limitless potential. He calls this the 3 M's. In his words, there are no limitations when you align and apply the right mindset, motivation, and methods. If you feel stuck, unmotivated, or overwhelmed, this book will help you overcome those roadblocks and transform the way you approach learning. Ready to take your learning to the next level? Now you can choose the best learning book to suit your needs. And the best part is, you don't even have to read all these books from scratch. At Reading Graphics, we've summarized them for you in visual, text, and audio formats so you can learn faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Click the link in the description to get started.